Good morning, my name is Maxim Alexa, and I'm a second-year student at Michigan in Computer Science and Romance Languages.
My name is Annabelle Sherman, sophomore studying Industrial and Operations Engineering. When you ask your smartphone to give you directions, you just save yourself a good minute of staring at the screen and trying to type with your bare fingers in Arctic-like conditions.
Now consider the ability to do the same thing on your computer. Open up your laptop, let's say a Mac, hit Command Space to access Spotlight. Not just simply say or type whatever you want, like the ISBN of that new crime novel, and the app will show you the cheapest options to buy it from. And if you need to know which route to take to the mall to avoid traffic, just ask, and it will give you a map and directions.
We believe this app has the potential to help users focus on other tasks while working on a computer, without having to use a mouse or change screens constantly.
We hope to go on the 2015 track to the Bay Area to pitch this idea to the executives and hear their valuable feedback. In addition, we hope to learn what it means to think like an entrepreneur and improve the way we look for ideas and solutions.
Finally, we hope to understand what it takes to overcome the many challenges a creator faces and convert these exciting wild ideas to reality for the world to benefit from.